Demographically, Latino students and students learning English as a second language is not just a Southwest phenomenon anymore. It is now growing. These families and these students exist in places where maybe 5 years ago there weren't that many of them. And these are students that have a lot of potential like any other student. What we really need to do is something that is going to help more Latino students be successful. When you come to Soluciones, it's going to be a very warm experience. This conference isn't just for Latino educators or bilingual educators, it's for any educator who is interested in learning how best to serve this population of students, how best to serve their families, and how best to ensure that these students learn at high levels. The faculty that we have assembled is very, very committed to this work, and so there's going to be access to some of these amazing, some internationally renowned educators. The conference is really broken up into 4 domains. We're going to address instruction and what that should look like for Latino English language learner students. We're going to address the need for leadership and what leadership is going to look like in a world where English learners and Latino students make up the majority of the student population. We're also going to talk about social-emotional relationships, and so what does that look like with regard to that aspect of this work. And we're going to include in the general sort of culture of the conference this feeling of appreciation for this culture and the Latino community in general. We know exactly what needs to happen so that these students and their families can succeed. We want to make sure that we come together for 2.5 days of really learning what that might be like, and then doing the most revolutionary work, and that's implementing what we learn when we go back to our sites.